A 23-year-old male presents for a routine checkup. He is asymptomatic, and physical examination reveals a systolic ejection murmur, best heard at the left upper sternal border, USB, which increases with inspiration. There is no radiation to the carotids. What is the most likely cause of this murmur? A. Pulmonic stenosis. B. Aortic stenosis. C. Mitral regurgitation. D. Aortic regurgitation. Correct answer, A. Pulmonic stenosis. Explanation: pulmonic stenosis (PS) is a congenital or acquired narrowing of the pulmonary valve, leading to turbulent blood flow during systole. Murmur characteristics: systolic ejection murmur, crescendo decrescendo. Best heard at the left upper sternal border, second intercostal space. Increases with inspiration due to increased venous return to the right heart. May have a widely split S2 due to delayed pulmonic valve closure. Why not the other answers? B. Aortic stenosis, AS, incorrect. Best heard at the right upper sternal border and radiates to the carotids. AS murmur is also systolic, but has different features. Heard at the right upper sternal border, USB, second intercostal space, radiates to the carotids. Crescendo decrescendo pattern associated with pulsus parvus et tardus, weak delayed carotid upstroke. Does not increase with inspiration. Left-sided murmurs do not follow this pattern. C. Mitral regurgitation, MR. Incorrect. MR is a hollow systolic murmur best heard at the apex. MR murmur is not an ejection murmur. Hollow systolic, pansystolic, heard throughout systole. Best heard at the apex and radiates to the axilla. Does not increase with inspiration. Left-sided murmur. D. Aortic regurgitation, AR. Incorrect. AR is a diastolic murmur, not systolic. AR murmur is an early diastolic, high-pitched, blowing murmur. Best heard at the left lower sternal border, Erb's point, third, fourth intercostal space. Does not increase with inspiration. Key takeaways. Pulmonic stenosis murmur is a systolic ejection murmur that is best heard at the left upper sternal border and increases with inspiration. Other murmurs, AS, MR, AR, have different timing, locations, and radiation patterns. Would you like additional